Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today, I'll be teaching you on how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. So here we're going to look at that for the desktop version and also for the mobile version. So let's hop into the editor of your site. And up here we have the navigation. So that's where our menu is going to be on the very left hand. We have pages and menu. We can click that pop up open the side pages and then the menu structure. So this is the side menu. So there are two different options. One is the main element of your drop down menu. Before the drop down can be clickable or not clickable. So we can make a drop down menu based on a page that you can actually navigate to, or we can do a drop down menu based on a folder of pages. In the lower part of this dialog, you have add a page, so you could add the main page or use an existing one. We also have here, which is a sub menu title, so we could just give it a title. For instance, I'm going to name this one as social and then click on done. After that, you can see that the icon for the social is different since we created this one as a subtitle. Now all we need to do is we just have to click on the add page option and then click on the blank page. Okay, this one, that's correct. And right here we just have to wait, and then here you can see the name or the title of the page. So let's title this one as Instagram folder. And after that, just click on done and then click on add a design section or add elements. Okay, here you can put an image or text depending of what you're trying to put in this specific folder. So here I'm going to add an image for this section. So just click on the basic or image in the section, and then you can choose what image you want to add in this section right here. So right here you just have to edit this one. You can also edit the layout according to your want. Okay, so you can choose right here. So after doing so, you just have to close this and then click on the pages and menu. That's right. And then let's drag this folder under the social. Okay, so here you can see the Instagram, right? And the social. So we are just going to drag this one all the way under the social and then move it to your right. And as you can see, this folder became a child or a sub folder for the social. So as you can see here, we can no longer see the Instagram since we put it under the social folder. So now let's add a new page. Okay, so click on the add page option and then click on the blank page. Now let's add another folder. So right here, let's name this one Twitter or Facebook and then click on done. And after that, just click on the add design section or add elements. So for me, I'm going to put a text. So I'm going to choose this one. And after choosing your text, you can also edit the font of this as well as the color. So I'm just going to change this one into Facebook, and then here maybe I'll type out follow us for more. Okay, so you can edit the color of this as well as the font. And after that, let's go back to the pages and menu. And you can see under the social, we have the Instagram and Twitter. So when we go and tap on the preview for this section, so you can see here now under social, we have Instagram and Twitter. But we cannot see those subfolder here in the header. So let's click on preview. So right here, as you can see under social, okay, let's click on the home right here. So we're going to see the section. Now, when we're going to click on social, Instagram and Twitter, the subfolders for this folder will appear. So you're just going to click one of those folder. So let's click on Twitter, and as you can see here, I type out Facebook, right? So we can see that. So when you click on Instagram as well, we'll be able to see the pictures or the elements that we have added right here. So for me, I don't think I like this kind of subfolder. I want a folder that when you click it, you will be redirected to this specific page. You don't have to, open a subfolder for that one. So when we want that to happen, we can then go back to the editor. So just click on the back to editor at the top. We're gonna check if how this appears in mobile. So right here at the top, you can see the mobile options. You just have to click on the mobile. So back here in the editor, you can edit both a desktop view and a mobile view. So any edits we make here are actually going to change only for the mobile view. For example, I want to edit this icon, so you just have to click on it and then click on the edit button. And here in the fill color and opacity, you can change the color of this one. So just click on the button background. You can change that accordingly as well as the color of the icon. Okay, that's right. So when you go to open, you'll be able to see here the folders and the subholders. So just click on the design button. So here you can also change the fill color and opacity for the background. Let's try to add a new color for this one. So you just have to adjust it. And if you think that this is the best color for this section, just have to go ahead. And for the background of the sub folders, you can also change that as well. Okay, so let's just find the right color for this one. And after that, you can also change the text. Okay, so here in the shadow, you can turn this on and adjust the distance as well as the size. Okay, so for example, now let's go to the text. So right here, you can change the color of the text as well as the font style and the font size. So let's adjust the color. Maybe I'll change the color to something maroon or red. And after that, you can just edit and customize everything right here. So you just have to explore. And now let's go back to our main page. So let's just click on the desktop view right here. Okay, at the left hand side corner of your screen. Okay, that's right. And after that, just click on the pages and menu. Here we are going to add a new page and then click on the blank page. Okay, that's right. And here let's add another folder. So let's name this one as maybe social. Okay, with capital letters and then click on done. So right here, we're gonna add a design section or add elements. So let's just click on the add design section. So let's go ahead and click on text and I'm gonna use this one. And right here, maybe I will then just type out social or anything that you have in mind. Maybe I'll type out Gmail. Okay, so you can choose your heading style as well as your font style. So after that, let's go back to the pages and menu. And right here, you can see now the folder social. We just have to drag all of these sub folders that we have created earlier and put it under the social folder that we just created and then delete the social sub folder. And right here, you can now see that the sub folder for Instagram and Twitter are now under the social folder. So in the heading, you can click on the social, you can click on the Instagram, and you can also click on the Twitter. Not like the one that we have created earlier that we cannot click on the social. So as you can see, the styling of the menu is a little bit off. So I want to change this to something that has a background. For example, to the social section. When you click on social, you'd be able to see a background that is gray. So let's click on and then change that as well. So let's go to fill, color, and opacity. And we can adjust the submenu background and change this one to gray. Okay, so after that, let's click on the preview and let's try if the color that we have chose is being applied. So let's preview and try to click on the socials. As you can see, the background of the Instagram is color gray. So if you want to change the color, you can then just go back to the back to editor option and then change the color according to your want. Okay, so after that, you just have to publish this site, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.